Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 16th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So the pound yen definitely did turn down. It did give us a little bit of a break of structure, but the daily, monthly, weekly time frames are all still very heavily in an uptrend. So what does that mean? That means that for me personally, I am definitely looking for longs. I mean, I would like to see a nice three-way pullback on this 1 hour time frame, potentially maybe not today because it would probably have to take at least a day or so for it to play out. But I definitely am looking for longs. If I see a three-way pullback, I will definitely take it as a long. Now, I am not going to try to go short. Why? Because this thing could literally just continue the uptrend at any time. Even though I think that it potentially could do this and then go down again, I definitely don't think that's a high probability trade. A high probability trade would be waiting patiently for a three-way pullback in order to go long for potentially the continuation of the higher time frame uptrends. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.